Welcome to my review of Passteam, the powerful SaaS platform tailored for teams looking to streamline their work processes. In this video, I'll take you through every feature Passteam offers, from its user-friendly interface to its robust tools designed to enhance team productivity. Whether you're working in a small business or managing a larger team, Passteam promises to simplify collaboration and project management. First, let's talk about signing up. The process is simple and intuitive. You're prompted to create an account, and once logged in, you're greeted with a dashboard that provides a clear overview of your team's activities. Passteam's interface is sleek and modern, making it easy to navigate without feeling overwhelmed by too many options. The design is minimalistic, focusing on functionality and ease of use, which is always a plus for busy teams. Next, I want to highlight the key features. Passteam allows you to assign tasks, track progress, and communicate directly within the platform. You can create projects, add deadlines, and categorize tasks to keep everything organized. One standout feature is the seamless integration with other apps like Slack and Google Drive, making it easier to centralize your team's work in one place. I found the integration process simple, and it saved me a lot of time switching between different platforms. Communication is another major strength of Passteam. The chat feature lets you send direct messages to teammates, and you can even set up group chats to discuss specific projects or tasks. Additionally, you can share files directly in the chat, which is a convenient way to keep everything in one place. Passteam also includes a calendar view, which I really appreciated. You can visually see all your upcoming tasks, deadlines, and meetings. This helped me plan my day better and keep track of important dates. The calendar syncs well with Google Calendar, so you won't miss any critical events. However, one thing to note is that while Passteam is feature-rich, some of its advanced features may require additional training for new users. But if you're already familiar with other SaaS tools, you'll likely find the learning curve to be minimal. Overall, I found Passteam to be an excellent tool for improving team productivity and collaboration. The platform is reliable, easy to use, and packed with useful features. Many useful links can be found in the description below to explore more about this tool and other related resources. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.